जय श्री राम दोस्तों। तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं आज 8 तारीख है और आरआरबी क्लर्क का लाइव मॉक चल रहा है ऑलिव बोर्ड पे, जो कि कल 9 बजे तक, कल 7 बजे तक रहेगा शाम तक। तो चलिए देते हैं और देखते हैं कितना आता है इसमें। आप लोग भी दीजिएगा और अगर दे दिए तो स्कोर ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा। 10 सेकंड का ऐड। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस सुन लीजिए।
Examination looking for one-stop solution for your preparation. Then do check the details of our
चलिए देते हैं और देखते हैं कितना आता है। लेट्स गो। Some boxes are kept in a certain direction from each other. B2 is 10 meter north of B5. B2 is 10 meter north of B5. B2 is 20 meter east of B3. B2 is 20 meter east of B3. B3 which is 35 meter west of B6. B3 which is 35 meter west of B6. B1 is 7 meter south of B5. B1 is B1 B1 is 7 meter south of B5. B4 is 25 meter west of B1. B4 is 25 meter west of B1. B7 is 30 meter east of B8. B8 which is 5 meter north of B4. B8 which is 5 meter north, which is 5 meter. B8 which is 5 meter north of B4. B7 is 30 meter east of B7. 30 meter. What is the shortest distance between B5 and B3? B5 and B3. 300 आना चाहिए। 200 100 into 5। अरे oh हाँ 100 into 5। If B7 is related to, if B6 is related to B7, if B6 is related to B7, in the same way B2 is related, in the same way B2 is related to B8 B4, B8 B4. What is the code for word write? Revise the repeat text. Read, write. Read and write word. Read, read. READ। रीड का क्या हो जाएगा फिर? YL नहीं, KF नहीं, NS DS। एंड का हो जाएगा LW। और तेरा वर्ड्स का हो जाएगा WORDS। वर्ड्स का हो जाएगा LWRXQN। तो LW हो गया, BS हो गया, RX राइट का RX। if the word if the code for all people is given, then which of the word? All people, all. Read, if the code for the word all people, द का निकल जाता है टेक्स्ट। read the which of the following word JD revise and repeat text revise all JD all का हो जाएगा तेरा। रीड का BS गया, द का KF गया और टेक्स्ट का YL गया, तो NJ JD NJ। What is the code for LY LW? text and 6% when sitting around a triangular but not in the same order, 3% sitting corner triangular में 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 3% sitting at the corner facing center while 3 facing middle, edges facing away. Jeb is third to the left of Juo. Tim who is not facing outside, TIM Tim facing inside. Ben is fourth to the right, 1 2 3 fourth 1 2 3 fourth. Ben is fourth to the right of Tim who is not facing outside. Jeb is third to the left of Joey, Jeb is third to the left of Joey, Jeb is third to the left of JOE, Joey का Jeb is third नहीं, Jeb is third to the Jeb is third to the left of Joey, Jeb is third to the left of Joey, ठीक है। Joey who sits adjacent to Anna, ठीक है। Rave sits second to the right of Anna, Rave Anna REV Rave. Who among the following sits opposite to Tim? Anna. How many persons sits between Ben and Jeb? When counted from the right of Jeb मतलब left of Jeb 0. What is the position of Tim with respect to Joey? Second to the left. Rave sits second to the left of Rave sits second to the left of Jeb. Who among the following दूसरा क्वेश्चन आ गया। 6 persons who posted in different destinations in a same bank sit in a linear row. The equidistant facing northern destination, decreasing oil channel. N is senior to R. N N is senior to R who is senior to O. N is senior to R who is senior to O. Q is manager. Q is MANAGER, manager. CHIR, chairman. MD, C, chief manager, manager, deputy manager, assistant manager. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Q is manager. P is the senior most. P is the senior most and sits immediate right of N. P is the senior most and sits immediate right of N. P is the senior most and sits immediate right of N. R sits immediate left of O. R sits immediate left of O. M is immediately junior to N. M is immediately junior to N. The chief manager sits immediate right of manager. The chief manager sits immediate right of manager. Q does not sit at an end. O sit at an end of the row. Q M R O P N. Who among the following is assistant manager? O. Dash is posted as the designation of chairman. P. In which position P is seated with respect of deputy manager? Deputy manager कौन है? R. 1 2 3 third to the left. How many persons are seated between managing director MD and M और N के बीच में? 2. Who among the following persons seated second to the right of P? Second to the right of P. M. Chief manager. How many such prime digits are possible in the above arrangement which are immediately preceded by an odd digit, odd prime, and immediately followed by an even? Odd prime even. Odd prime even नहीं. Odd prime even नहीं. Odd prime even. 1. Odd prime even नहीं. Odd prime even. 2. Odd prime नहीं. Odd prime नहीं. 2 हुआ. Odd prime नहीं. Odd prime नहीं. Odd prime नहीं. Odd prime नहीं. 2. Which of the following digits is 8th to the left of 7th element? 7th element from the right hand. 8. 15th element from the right hand. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 7. How many such even digits are there in the above range which are immediately preceded by an even digit? Even and followed by a prime digit. PRIME prime. Even prime. Even prime नहीं. इवन प्राइम नहीं, इवन प्राइम नहीं, इवन प्राइम नहीं, इवन प्राइम 1, 1. In each of the following question, 8 people in a shop have different ages, which is a natural number. M is third youngest among all. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. M is third youngest person among all. V is elder to R. V is elder to R, but not eldest. But not eldest. R is 80-year-old and is elder than P. R is 80-year-old and is elder than. R is 80-year-old and elder than. U is 56-year-old and younger to P. U is 56-year-old and younger to 2 but elder than M. 1, 2, 3, 4. U, P, R, V, R 80, U 56. G is elder 12. G is elder 12. G is elder 12 but younger to H. How many persons are younger to P? 1, 2, 3. How many persons are younger to P? 1, 2, 3, 4. What could be possible age of P? 80, 56 का बीच में. If the if the difference in the age of the eldest and third eldest person is 1494, then what is the sum of U and H? 150. Eight cartoons are kept one above other but not in the same order. The bottommost position is 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The number of cartoons came above C2 is same as kept below C5. Only one cartoon is kept between cartoon C3 and C6. Cartoon C2 is kept above C5. C2, C5, C2, C5, C2, C5. Cartoon C2 is kept above C5. C5 which is kept immediately above C5 which is kept immediately above C1. C1, C1, C2, C5, C1. C3 is kept immediately below C7. C3 is kept immediately below C7. C3 is kept immediately below C7. Two cartoons are kept between C5 and C8. C5, C8, C5, C5 and C8, C7, C3, C6, 1, 2, 3, 4, C4. C4 is kept immediately below cartoon C1 and immediately above cartoon C8. How many cartoons are kept between cartoon C7 and C5? C7 and C5. 1, 2. What is the position of cartoon? Which of the following cartoons kept bottommost position? C8. Cartoon C5 is kept fourth, और ऊपर से 1, 2, 3, 4 5th. T greater than P. T greater than P नहीं, D greater than Y. Only 2. T greater than W नहीं. F greater than is equal to C नहीं, neither no. T greater than R, either or. O has only 2 children, one of whom is married. O has only 2 children. One of the K is R's mother. K is R's mother-in-law. K is R's mother-in-law. K and K, neither K nor L. Eight person are sitting in a linear or facing south direction. I sit second to the right of G. Facing south. I sit second to the right of G. I sit second to the right of. I sit second to the right of G. I sit second to the right of G. G who is sitting at some position between L and E. I sit second to the right of G. G is sitting L and E. L and E. L being toward the right of E. L, E. B sits at one of the extreme end. B and B sits at one of the extreme end. C sits third to the right of L. C sits third to the right of L. C sits एक तो third to the right of L. L एक तो C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ये गलत हो गया. G, L, I, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is third to the right of L. H is immediate right of E. H is immediate right of E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Neither A nor E sits at any extreme. B, A. How many persons sits between A and E? 1, 2, 3, 4. E, I is related to A. I is related to A. In the same way, G is related to L. H is related to G. What is the position of G with respect to A? G with respect to A, 1 2 3, third to the left. Who sits next, immediate next to B? E. Dash sits between A and L. Dash sits between A and L. An oil merchant makes 25% used food oil available for free to pure mustard oil, which cost him इतना liter. The cost price of become John donated every year 50% of his annual salary to charity. If his monthly salary is इतना, what is the annual contribution? 3600. Oh, 0072 का 2 7 8 में 36 43 200. 8 by 3 into 3 by 2 into 14 by 15 is equal to 4x by नहीं 5 7. अरे यार 56 बाई 15 56 बाई 15 प्लस और 12 जोड़ दे इसमें तो 68 बाई 15 इज इक्वल टू 4x बाई 15. 4 से काटेंगे इसको तो 1717. 1331 1 2 3. ये तेरा 8, ये तेरा 0, ये तेरा 2, ये तेरा 1. 1208 इंटू 12 बाई 4 बाई 3. अगर 3 बार में काटेंगे तो ये 4 1 1 5 1 8 बार में 32. 1225 माइनस 1225 इज इक्वल टू 4. 1 6 16 प्लस 2 18 84 94 47. 400 500 500 1220. 21 into 7 21 into 7 7 147 147 और 800 947. 17 इंटू 15 105 का 5 10 हाथ में 15 25 प्लस 9 इंटू 7 63 8 1 318 प्लस का 18 336. इंटू 4 74 148 180 इंटू 9 0 72 का 2 7 हाथ में 162 माइनस का 8 1612 ये कितना है 22 इंटू 9 18 का 8 बाद हाथ में 18 19 और 48 246 42 79 42 79 1 11 12 242 78 78 4/5 24 3 बार में 3 9 3 49/21 7/3 प्लस 2/3 9/3 3 16 6 प्लस 10 16 16 इंटू 12 192 प्लस का 11 प्लस का 2 27 प्लस का 28 प्लस का 44 103 इंटू 2 -1 इंटू 2 -1 इंटू 2 -1 16 गलत है इंटू 4 इंटू 5 इंटू 6 200 ये गलत है 8 18 21 4 25 और ये तेरा 41 10 7 16 हाफ 38 गलत है 70% sum invested at 4% per annum for 2 years and remaining invested 6%। 100 में से 70 नहीं 1000 का 700 और 300 तो 4 2 8 8% हो जाएगा तेरा 56 और 6 3 18 54 110 बाई 1155, 11, 1, एक, अरे यार 1, 0, 5. In a school seat, physics, chemistry, biology are in the ratio. In future, the seat will be 60, 80, 90, 70 to 30%, 104 और 50%, 135. What will be the ratio of seats of chemistry and biology? 104, 135. The average of 33 digit number is इतना. If the average of first 60 number is 36 and the last digit number is 40 और 2 से 33, 2 से 33, 66. एक सौ छः 53 है क्या? Read the data carefully, answer the question. 3 buses PQ are running different. 3 buses PQ are running between two different cities. Total passenger in all the 3 buses इतना. PQR male female. Ratio bus P ratio of male to female is 4:1, while the difference between male and female passenger is 30. 90. ओ 3 का वैल्यू 30 है तो यहाँ 40, 10, 50. टोटल बस पैसेंजर इज 60. 100 नहीं 110, 54. Male passenger are 80% of female passenger. Male passenger are 80% of female passenger. 4 नहीं 5, 4. 9 बार में काटेंगे 6, 30, 24. Female passenger, male passenger 80% of female passenger, which are 6 more than female passenger in which is 6 more than female passenger in bus queue. 18, 42. Total number of passenger in bus P 50. What is the ratio of male to female passenger in R? 4, 5. Total passenger in bus R 54 is what percent of total passenger in bus Q? What is the average number of female passenger in bus P and Q? 14. What is the average number of female passenger in bus P and Q? If the fare for female passenger इज इतना। व्हाट इज टोटल फेयर फ्रॉम बस पी। मेल का है 50 रुपया, 2000। फीमेल का है 2400। Tanu purchased a laptop at इतना and a keyboard इतना. If he sell both at इतना, then find the selling price of 48,000, 12,800, 7,200 और इसका तेरा हो जाएगा 1280 और 640। 012 का 2 1 हाथ में 891 1920 20 से किसी में तो PNQ enter into a partnership with investment इतना एंड इतना 125 135 5 बार में 25 35 और 27. If the difference between their annual profit received by them is, then find the share of P if share of P 225/25 125 का 5 12 हाथ में 50 62 का 2 6 हाथ में 50 56 25. If the circumference of a circle is 88 less than the perimeter of a square and the side of the square are equal to the diameter of circle, the average price of 15 headphone is इतना. If the average price of 15 headphone and Vinay and Manoj can do a piece of work in 45 and 63 days respectively. 9 into 5 into 7 35 35 और ये क्या है 315 5 बार में 7 बार में. How many time will complete the whole work? 315/12 2 बार में 24 7 75 6. If the number of cup of creamy sold in November is 50%, 50% of the number of cups plastic sold in July. Plastic sold in July 180 180 90 creamy. Then the number of cup creamy sold in November. If the number of creamy sold in November is 50% of the number of plastic sold in July, oh, so plastic sold in July 360 180. What is the ratio of number of creamy sold in June? Creamy sold in June 240 to the number of steel type sold in September. सितंबर का ठीक है 240 What is the average number of steel types sold in July, August, June? जून में 500 600 नहीं 540 630 तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं एलआर में मेरा 100% एक्यूरेसी के साथ 34 बनाए थे, 34 राइट है, और क्वांट में 34 बनाए थे पर 2 गलत हो गया है कोई, और इसमें मेरा बना है 31.50, तो मेरा टोटल स्कोर बना है 65.50। तो आप लोग भी दीजिए ये वाला मार्क और बताइए आप लोग कितना आ रहा है। मेरा तो थोड़ा कम ही आया है हिसाब से देखा जाए तो 65.50 ही आया है। तो चलिए आप लोग भी दीजिए और बताइए आप लोग कैसा आ रहा है। मिलते हैं तब तक नेक्स्ट मॉक में, बाय।